Hello Capricorn, this will be your monthly love reading for August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Capricorn, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind then that the energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel Krishna Tarot. King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Hierophant and Magician, the Lovers, Five of Cups, Justice, Two of Cups, oh my god, Ace of Wands, what, Six of Wands, Eight of Wands and Four of Pentacles. Wow Capricorn, this is too good reading. Okay, oh, Four of Wands. Look at this, man, look at this. Oh, let's see first what the sign presents here. And here we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, Gemini is present here very strongly and Libra is also present here. However, the Aquarius is not present here, but it can be any sign, and according to the energy only we will read this here, and the energy of yours or your partner can be present here. Don't look at the sign, just look at the energy. Okay, it will resonate, I think most of you. Okay, so let's start your reading. We have on the bottom of the deck we have Four of Wands. So I am seeing that this person is very serious towards you. Okay, they want stability, they want long term commitment, they see you as the future wife or future husband in you. Okay, so this person actually want to celebrate with you, and they want to offer you, if they have not already, then I think they are going to offer you a new beginning in love, or they want to offer you stability and long term commitment if they haven't already. Okay, so they have hide it for so long that you haven't even recognized that this person wants to offer you or not. You were actually getting a mixed signal from this person, but now this person is ready, and they were actually hiding it from so long, but now this person thinks that this is the right time to offer you this stability, commitment and all. So they are right now going to offer you this. So first card is the Hierophant. The Hierophant card, because it is the first card, then it is the strongest one in this reading. So Hierophant is there, that means they want to marry you. Traditionally they want to marry you. They actually feel that in spiritual connection with you. Okay, so this person can be Taurus. Okay, or maybe any sign. I will tell you one by one, but this person is very serious towards you, and they want a serious commitment towards you. Okay, so long term commitment, relationship and marriage marriage also I can see here. Okay, so the next card is here the Magician. Okay, so Magician card is here, that means this person see you as a magician. Okay, they are actually actually they are madly in love with you. Okay, so they think that you have done something some magic or something on them, so they are very attracted towards you. And I believe me or not, this person thinks that you are perfect for them. Okay, you are perfect for them. And I think you were also manifesting this person from so long. So I think this is a mutual love connection now and it is very good reading, I think. Okay, so the lovers card is here. That means you have to make a choice now. Okay, they are your soulmate, that's true. Okay, they are your soulmate. You feel that connection, you feel that attraction towards them. And the bond between you two is very strong, that you feel from very far also. Okay, and when they come near to you, you could not actually resist it, and you cannot resist it. Okay, so the lovers card is there. That means I can see that there is a very strong soulmate connection. Okay, but I think this card coming here because it represents a choice. Okay, that the choice you have to make it. Okay, the choice can be anything, but you have to choose either this person or your past. Okay, it's up to you. Universe have given you chance. Now you have to choose whether you want to stay in your that self sabotaging energy and sorrow, regret and all, or you want to welcome this new love, which is a soulmate connection, which can fulfill you from inside and outside. This is the true love, a man, and now you have to decide it. Okay, five of cups is here. That means I already told you, you are looking at your past now, and right now you are thinking about that what have not worked it out. So if you are seeing your failure only, and you are concentrating on your failure only, then you will not get anywhere. Okay, in your love life. So you have to be little bit of means hopeful in this relationship. Okay, hopeful for your love life. Okay, so you are not hopeful right now, so you think that it is too good to be true, it cannot happen. You are thinking like that. That's why you are self sabotaging this energy right now. Okay, don't do that, man, don't do that. So here we have justice card. So this person can be Libra. Okay, so this person can be Libra, and I guess this person wants a balance between you two. I think in the past it was this relationship between you two has got imbalanced, and they want to make it a little bit of balance between you two. So now they are actually trying to manage some things, and they want to give you some times so that it all can be managed. And I can see that karma has actually bring you together. Okay, whatever it was, now that karma has playing their role, and now this true love connection is coming just in front of you. So you have to take it or not. It's up to you. Okay, you just take it or not. It's up to you. Okay, so I can see that this person wants to marry you, because justice card is again some legal marriage or something. I can see that. Okay, so anything can be possible. So here we have two of cups. See, the lovers was there, and now two of cups. That means this person is actually your soulmate, twin flame, and any kind of very strong bond between you two, and this is the mutual love connection. If you don't know that how this person feels about you, then I can say directly to you that this person is in mutual love. Actually the love between you two is mutual, and they are also loving you truly, and you are also loving them truly. That's represented by the two of cups. So you are actually fulfilling their emotions as well, and as well as you are getting the same from this person as well. Okay, so two givers actually meet each other now. Earlier it was not there. Earlier you were only giving in this in that relationship, but it didn't work out. Now this person wants to give you, and you are also want to give them a relationship, and both of you will be very very happy in this relationship in future. And that's why the new beginning comes here. So here we I can see that you will be very passionate to meet them, and they are also very passionate to meet you in this month, I can see. So new beginning is coming here. So maybe this person propose you, that they want to start a new beginning with you, and they want to start a new relationship with you. Okay, so Ace of Wands is here, that's why. And you will be very happy actually, because Six of Wands is here. That shows that you will be very happy that this person offered you a new relationship, and you are feeling very accomplished and victorious. Okay, so I can see that back and forth communication will happen in August, and your relationship will build up in on the solid ground, I can see. And I can see that your back and forth communication is there, and even travel also I can see. Maybe I can see that that one of you is very far from another, and one of you can travel to the other person's place, and you are meeting. That's why that I can see here, that most of you are getting lots of communication. Okay, so here we have a Four of Pentacles. So this person is little bit possessive also. It is not a negative kind of possession. Basically this person doesn't want to let you go to somebody else. Okay, so they will be heartbroken if you go to somebody else. Okay, so this person wants to offer you stable marriage commitment, but still they think that if you will not be fulfilled, then you can they think like that, if you will not be fulfilled, you will be going to somebody else. So they want to possess you, they want to hold on with them. Okay, so this is their thinking right now. Okay, so let me pull out your outcome card for this month. Please give me outcome card for this month. Page of Pentacles. So there is a fresh new beginning and stable new beginning will be there, because Page of Pentacles is here. And here we have Ten of Swords. So old ways are going to be destroyed. All old ways will be completely gone, and new beginning will come, and then fresh new beginning will be in a as a solid commitment from this person towards you. And I think this relationship will grow. Okay, because Page of Pentacles is here. So let's pull out Queen of Moon Oracle for you. Acceptance. So please accept this offer. I guess universe is giving you every kind of chance, every kind of if indications is there, so many indications universe will give you, that accept this offer, accept this offer. So please listen to the universe and accept this offer, because this love offer will lead you to very strong bond between you two, and that will be a very stable and long term commitment with this person. And you will learn self love actually in this relationship. Okay, this person will teach you how to love yourself. Okay, so that's the overall Queen of Moon Oracle energy for this month. So this is your reading, Capricorn. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot, and please like, share and subscribe. And one more thing I want to tell, if you want to book a personal reading with me, please email me in my email ID is given in the description box below. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.